year 2022 is the time to come out of your comfort zone and starting afresh. So this year you will have to start doing all those activities probably which you left doing earlier, or which you always resisted doing, which you didn't want to do earlier. You just want to avoid, you have been avoiding all those activities so far, but now you will have to take up all those activities. You'll have to start doing all those activities, especially all those things relating to research and technical analysis. You'll have to apply your mind, and you'll have to do all those things consistently, continuously throughout the year. Those The nature of your job will involve all those technical analysis, especially. So if you want to grow in your life, if you want to attract growth in this year, so you'll have to take up all those activities. You'll have to make up your mind. You'll have to accept that this is the need of the hour. You'll have to upgrade yourself to latest technologies, latest trends in the market, latest new platforms available in the market to do business. So to be able to utilize all those platforms, all those technologies, you will have to first of all accept your subconscious mind. You will have to prepare your subconscious mind. You will have to get ready. You will have to accept this. You will have to accept this, that now, okay, I am at this situation. Now I'll have to do all these activities. Whatever was my earlier preferences or choices or my inclination of mind, but now I'll have to do all these activities quite willingly, and you'll have to commit yourself to all those activities. You'll have to start doing all those activities. So you have been pondering upon many ideas earlier, and now you have to just put all those ideas into execution this year. And you can't wait for the best one to come in your way. You'll have to select the best option out of the available ones, and then doing just start with that option. So that is the best approach you can do. Yes, your subconscious mind might put some resistance and some excuses that all these activities, all these tasks, these are all worthless. There is no point in all these things, though these are just incurring some expenses for us actually. But no, this is not true, because all those efforts, all those expenses are actually going to be beneficial for you in the near future. So you just need to start doing all those things. You just need to come out of your comfort zone and start doing the activities. You just need to upgrade yourself and keep abreast of the latest trends in the market. And the main point of concern, if we talk about the precautions you need to exercise in this year, so that is the only thing is you just need to avoid doing or deciding anything in haste. You just need to avoid being hasty, and avoid temptations to make quick money and big amount of money in short period of time. For example, investing heavily in stocks. So this is one particular domain that you need to keep check on. And you just need to avoid investing heavily in stock markets unless you have some reliable information or some reliable source or something that you can really trust upon, and some reason, some logics. Then of course you can go for some option. Otherwise you just need to avoid doing anything in haste. And the success mantra for you people in this year is just forgive, let go, and move on. You just need to forgive people for whatever wrong, in your opinion, whatever wrong they have done to you, or whatever loss they have caused to you. Just need to forgive all those people for that. You just need to let go of all those losses, all those pains and memories. You just need to let go of all those things, and you just need to move on. You just need to start doing the work. Just come out of your comfort zone and start doing, and just win the world. So with that note, I wish you all the very best to all of you people, and may this new year 2022 prove very much healthy, happy, and full of prosperity and happiness for all of you people. Wish you a very happy new year. Thank you.